Okay, bye. Parents are gone. You know what that means. Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Cohnan and today my parents just left to go out of town and you know what that means. So normally, right, what would you do when your parents leave? Have a party, right? Like that's what normal people would do. However, for me, in my case, I'm gonna be doing something a bit different. So today I'm gonna be filming an entire full day of eating fall edition, which means I'll be eating fall inspired foods, mainly just stuff with pumpkin in it. Yeah, it should be an interesting video. So I thought since I got the entire kitchen all to myself today, I'm just gonna do a full day of eating because like the kitchen is mine. No one is there to judge me. I can just be myself and just cook some weird food. So let's get into it. Okay, so guys, when you think of fall, right, what comes to mind? For me, and I think from most people, I mean, it should come to mind, is this right here, pumpkin. And now I bought this at the store and my plan for today is to eat this entire thing of pumpkin. So basically get rid of this entire can by the end of the day. Anyway, we're gonna be making some pumpkin pie pancakes. So let's get into it. So for the protein pumpkin pie pancakes, you will need cottage cheese, milk, pancake mix, pure pumpkin, and some egg whites. And now, like, I'm making this recipe up in my head, so in terms of the quantities, I'm not too sure. Like, I'll obviously let you guys know once I make them, but I don't know. Like, I'm just gonna like add a bit of each, see what the consistency looks like, and if it's too dry, I'll either add more milk, and if it's too wet, that's what she said,
Oh.
I'll add more pumpkin, or what am I saying? More pancake mix. So let's just see what happens. Pumpkin pie protein pancakes. So I was a bit skeptical because you guys saw me add the cottage cheese and they had like small little chunks in them. So let's just see if I actually taste them. But overall they look really moist, really fluffy. That is not bad at all. I do see like the chunks, but I don't really taste them at all. It's actually really good. So yeah, moist, fluffy. Basically everything you want inside of a pancake is in this right here. So try it out and yeah. You know what it is. Last bite. Best bite. So to continue on this full day of eating only orange food, fall inspired pumpkin pie stuff foods, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. We're gonna be having this orange monster. So obviously, like, it's an orange monster. It's most likely going to taste like an orange beverage. But let's just pretend for the sake of today's video that this is a pumpkin pie monster because it's orange. Yeah. Oh, that's good though. That's fire. That is literally fire inside of a can. That's too good, man. This is it. So this will be a pre-workout beverage of choice. This is really good, by the way. Highly recommend. Second favorite, green apple first, then this one. Anyway, we'll be drinking that on our way to the gym, smash a push workout, and quickly go back home. And then we have to do our online classes. So that's the plan. Let's go. And by the way, I know I say literally, quite literally all the time. And like, I don't literally always mean literally, because when I say this literally tastes like fire, like that is literally not possible. Like figuratively, yeah, but like, yeah, like I gotta stop saying that, honestly. Like it's just one of those things that I literally keep saying and it's literally pretty annoying. But literally, let's go to the gym. I'm gonna shut up. Literally. Okay, bye. Literally. Yes guys, just finished the workout and I do apologize, I couldn't really film much because like I just couldn't do it. It was too busy and Yeah, I mean, I got a couple clips, but yeah, I do apologize. It was a push workout, and I did make some gains. So I was incline pressing 65 pounds for 2 sets of 8 and then 1 set of 6. And so like 2 weeks ago, I was doing 60s for 3 sets of 8. So yeah, making gains slowly and steadily. We're right on track. I'm super happy with it. Progress is going really well. Gaining weight slowly, getting stronger slowly. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm pretty hungry, so let's go back home and eat some more fall-inspired foods.
We lost before, but never again. Back on our grind, you know what it is. Yeah, this is our year. Knock us down once, we got up again. Put in the work, so I know we gon' win. This is
post-workout. We got some yam and chicken breast. So I forgot to weigh out my yam. Damn it! But basically 100 grams of chicken breast and 2 medium yams. I should have weighed it out. Whatever. But yeah, here we got the meal. And there's this big misconception amongst a lot of people, or not misconception, I guess confusion, about this whole sweet potato and yam thing. So basically, to simplify things, and I know this, trust me, I know this because I work in the produce section at Walmart. A lot of people ask me this too, and basically, if it's orange, it's a yam, and if it's not orange, it's a sweet potato. So sweet potatoes are generally like more yellowy, yellow. They're more yellow, whereas yams are like, they're orange. So whenever you say sweet potatoes, they're actually not this. These are yams. Orange, yam, yellow, sweet potato. So keep that in mind, guys. That's a very important knowledge to have in your life. So this is actually my favorite type of way to make these, because first of all, you microwave them to kind of soften them up, and then you put them on the pan to kind of make them crispy. So yeah, and I added some ketchup on top too, and I added garlic powder and some weird chicken seasoning, but yeah, as you guys can see, it turned out pretty crispy and it's really good. Also, these are orange, which again continues our fall-inspired full day of eating theme. So I'm gonna dig into this. These are actually delicious. Yeah, that's basically what's going down right now. Pretty excited. So let's go. Second meal of the day is done. Just finished online class and I'm starving again. So it's like 12:41 right now, and I had 2 meals so far. They were both pretty low calorie, I think like 480 calories each. And like I'm hungry again, so let's go eat again. Okay, so this meal is a meal that I used to have like every single morning during high school and even during university as well, because it's so easy to make, it's so convenient, it's high in protein, and it's super filling too. So if I go in my fridge, we got this right here. So basically what this is overnight oats. So this morning, actually, like right when I woke up, I prepared this. So this is 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 serving of pumpkin puree, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 serving of the fat-free, sugar-free Jell-O mix, which helps it thicken up. And I think that's it, and some cinnamon on top. So this is what you end up with: pumpkin pie overnight oats. And you know you done it right and correctly when you can literally, this time I do mean literally, I'm kind of scared, hold it on top of your head like this and it won't fall down. So yeah, as you guys can see, it turned out super thick, and that's basically how you want it. So I'm gonna eat this right now, and then I'm gonna take my dog for a walk. So yeah, eat this up real quick, and again, you can heat it up as well if you want, but I actually prefer eating it cold because it's so much better cold, especially on a day like this. Like, it's actually like 30 degrees outside in September, which is crazy. Isn't fall supposed to be like nice and like cold and cozy and stuff? I guess not. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, this is the kind of consistency you're looking for, just thick bowl of oats. This tastes like pumpkin pie, like it literally does. It's actually really good. So yeah, eat this up real quick and then go for a walk, get those steps in, and then we'll be back. And probably, most likely, we'll eat again. Me and Cohnan just got back from the walk. I'm struggling coming up with an idea that involves dinner and pumpkin. So Cohnan, do you have any ideas? Please? No? Okay. Okay, so as she's licking my ear, I'm gonna come up with something and we will see what I come up with. Ooh, that looks good. I have an idea. We're making pumpkin pasta coda. Let's do it. By the way, I'm using carrots because they're orange and it kind of matches with the whole fall pumpkin-y kind of theme. So yeah. Okay guys, so the pasta is done. All the vegetables are cooked, so I'm basically just gonna add all the pasta along with some pasta water, very important, into this mix, stir it up, and let's see what it turns out. Pumpkin pasta. Never had it before, never even heard of it, never even thought about adding the two together, but here we are trying it out. So let's see what this hype is all about. Okay, now the pumpkin, you don't taste it that much because I guess pumpkin has a really like subtle taste. It's not that strong, so you don't really taste it that much. It's kind of a weird taste. I feel like you really need to add a lot of seasonings to this to actually like bring some flavors out of it, but overall, if you add the right spices and the right vegetables to it, it doesn't taste that bad, honestly. Like, and I guess it's like a good kind of alternative to using regular pasta sauce or whatever. So honestly, man, not as good as I was hoping, but like it'll definitely do. So I'd say like 7 out of 10, which isn't bad at all. So try it out, add some different spices or seasonings to it, and it could probably end up being pretty good. So anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this. My camera's about to die. Eat this real quick, and I will see you for dessert. It's growing on me, it's growing on me. It's getting better bite by bite, like, definitely is. Oh, this is actually pretty good, man. Try it out. Okay guys, so the current time is about 7:30 right now, and I just came back from a walk with my dog. Second walk today, just to get those steps in, and I came home like completely drenched, so I actually just took a shower because it's uncomfortably hot today. I genuinely don't know why. As I said before, again, September is supposed to be like hoodie season, not shirtless season or naked season. I'm not naked, don't worry. Or am I? You'll never know unless I show you. Not showing you. Am I naked though? Who knows? The last and final meal today, because guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, the amount of fiber that's in pumpkin, like obviously pumpkin is really good for you, high in vitamin A, high in fiber, really good for you. However, if you eat too much of it, like I can literally feel all of the fiber just sitting inside of my stomach right now, and it's very uncomfortable. Like it is not a good feeling at all. And this is probably the worst video idea I ever came up with, because it's not even like pumpkin season yet, and I'm already sick and tired of pumpkin. Like I probably won't ever eat pumpkin for the rest of this year again, which sucks because it hasn't even started yet. But anyway, I hope you guys are getting some value or some recipe ideas out of this video. And the last and final recipe I have for you guys is some pumpkin pudding. So what I added into this is, of course, a serving of pumpkin, 1 cup of milk, 1 serving of that sugar-free, fat-free pudding mix, and then some cocoa powder to kind of make it like more chocolatey, because I was getting pretty sick and tired of like just pure pumpkin taste, so I wanted to add like a different flavor to it. So that's what we did right here. Turned out pretty well. Tastes pretty good too. So yeah, pretty easy to make. I did that right after I finished dinner, went for a walk, let it chill in the fridge, and then I came back to basically this right here. So kind of got a bit thicker. You should probably leave it in the fridge for like a couple more hours. I did like 30 minutes, which probably isn't ideal, but I just want to get this day done and over with, to be honest. So yeah, not that thick, but the taste is definitely there. So yeah, that's the final recipe. The total calories and macros will be on the screen right now. And now just a heads up for you guys who have been following my becoming a bodybuilder journey or series. Like this video has not really anything to do with that, because normally I eat a lot more food, a lot more variety as well, and just a lot more in general, like more fats, more carbs, more protein. So yeah, I would highly suggest you guys not to actually replicate every single food I ate today. I'd probably just recommend taking certain recipe ideas from it and not just eat all of it in one day, because then you'll end up like me and just hate pumpkin for the rest of your life. I'm gonna shut up now because I feel like I've talked a lot in this video, and like I don't know if you guys enjoy me talking that much, but either way, like, it's done. You can't really do anything about it. So if you took anything out of this video, recipe ideas, inspiration to make some more pumpkin stuff, absolutely anything at all, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I'd highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Came to fight, we came to win. We lost before, but never again. Back on our grind, you know what it is. Yeah, yeah, this is our year. Knocked us down once, we got up again. Put in the work, so I know